Sabudana Khichdi meals for Navratri Vrat. Healthy food recipes with friendly chef's kitchen. Like, subscribe, and share my video. Keep sabudana in water for 2 hours. Chop 1 potato. Chop coriander leaves. Chop 1 tomato. Add peanut. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add 1 teaspoon of jeera seeds. Add green chili and ginger paste. Add potato slices. Add tomato slices. Add coriander leaves. Mix well. Add ½ teaspoon of rock salt or pink salt. Add ½ teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add ½ teaspoon of jeera powder. Mix well. Add sabudana. Add 2 glasses of water. Add ½ teaspoon of red chili powder. Close the lid and wait for 2 whistles. Sabudana khichdi is ready to be served. Now let's serve the sabudana khichdi as a meal for Navratri Vrat. Add apple and banana slices, and 1 glass of milk. Special sabudana khichdi meal is ready. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.